Welcome to this short demo of Commerce for Manufacturers. Here we are in the sales portal of a manufacturer, browsing their products. I'm interested in a forklift. This one looks interesting, so I go ahead to explore its details. Now I'd like to compare a few more forklifts. I can select up to 5 variants and compare the technical specifications side by side. Okay, I decide to inquire this one. I just add it to my cart, write a note for the sales team and submit my inquiry. Within a few minutes, a sales rep can then configure and create a professional quote for me, so I could even purchase the desired product on the same day.